So as we summarized today, we visited the Vice Chancellor. We had a board meeting, presentations. One of the key pillars was to discuss how we should do support students from Gabon for the coming intake, 21 Jan, 21 April Masters, 21 September for the general student from Gabon. As you know, Gabon has more deeper relationship with the government of Rwanda, and Gabon is not far from Rwanda. So we as the national agency of the University of Rwanda, we are intending to support students from Gabon in two different ways. One is for the students who are coming from Gabon under the publican agents. The second is for those who want to pay for themselves. So we have a reference to come here today to visit the campus in general. Gilles would wish, and his team, Nolan, to see you guys what you have, to see the entry requirement for College of Education of Lukala, to see around the campuses, because tomorrow we'll be traveling to Huye, then after Huye we'll be going to Musanze, then after that we'll be leaving the country Saturday morning. So we need to use this such an opportunity to do that. So briefly, studying in Rwanda, he came after visiting Rwanda. We are trying to see if we can make Rwanda as a country that can become at least a second after Mauritius. So Rwanda is developing very fast in Africa. We want to put this effort to support sub-sector, especially education. So I appreciate Mr. Dean of Education. So you can maybe share with us courses that you really needed for this college. We have discussed with the registrar. We know all the entry requirement, what exception for international students with this campus, and which intake can we develop so far. So according to Mr. Gilles trip, is to make sure at least by January, April, the coming year, we can start sending students. So I would appreciate if you can also have a look on rooms, if any, or classes, if any, because during the presentation today of the University of Rwanda, the Vice Chancellor mentioned that there is also surveillance centers that you can also visit, maybe pass by. And they also visited the surveillance of the University of Rwanda, that's the data science. So we wish to see if we can take a chance to show the delegates the campus in general. So we are here for almost like 1 hour. Otherwise you can take a lead and be able to help the delegates.
Thank you so much. Probably I will just give an overview of the campus, and then my colleague is also going to say something about the programs that we have. Now, this is, I think they have already introduced the University of Rwanda, which is composed of 6 colleges and about 9 campuses. So this is the College of Education, one of those 6 colleges, and our college has 2 campuses, too many campuses. This is the headquarters of the college, the Lukala campus here, but we also have other students who are studying at Nyagatare campus. So we have about 4,000 students based here at this campus. They are enrolled in diploma, because they do their programs in 2 years, and bachelor's program 3 years. We also have master's students and PhD students. We are receiving both national and international students. In terms of infrastructure, part of the reason, previously before 2017, this was just a very small campus that was, admitting students who were doing diploma programs. But in 2017, the government has decided to shift all programs of education to here, because this is rural, as you can see, it is a rural area. So it really helps the students to do their internship in rural areas. That's why, the programs were shifted from the city center to the rural areas, because that's where they feel comfortable and they can concentrate more on what they are doing. So we have, teaching and learning infrastructure. All of the students, they study here in the campus, but when it comes to the accommodation, we are only able to accommodate about 900 students in the campus. But the rest of the students, the private people, they have invested in, hostels. They are nearby hostels that can accommodate about 150. So depending on how much money you have, you can get a very good accommodation near the campus. And the good thing about Rwanda is that security is guaranteed. Whether you are staying inside the campus or outside, total security is there. So our students, they feel comfortable. Those who want, we normally give accommodation as per starting from students with social needs. Like those coming from very far away, they are given a priority. Those with special needs, like those who have physical disabilities, first priority. And then international students. Especially we have a center of excellence in mathematics and sciences. So these students, because when you come to Rwanda for the first time, you don't know the area, you are afraid. So we make sure that we accommodate them. Like if now they spend like 3-6 months, if they want to go outside, then they can go because they feel very comfortable. But at the beginning, if you want to be accommodated, you make sure that you get accommodated here and so on. Then this college is also known for taking care of students with special needs. We have a school of inclusive and special needs. So that's what we do a lot. And the dean here is the Dean of School of Education. They have a variety of programs in diploma and undergraduate. The last thing maybe I can brief you about our college and campus in general is that we are moving from this face-to-face to a kind of blended mode where part is face-to-face teaching, another one is online. So I think we are going to visit our studio. We have a very good studio where a lecturer can record his lecture, and then if a student feels like, no, I just want to do it sitting in my room, just follow it because the lecture is going to upload it there. That's something I can tell you. And then for other facilities, we have at least we have a student restaurant, then we have a canteen, whatever, depending on your pocket, then you have where to take your lunch.
Thank you, and welcome again to our college. Maybe you allow me to talk about the programs that are offered here. Programs that are offered here. This is a college of education. In terms of programs that are offered here, we have undergraduate and postgraduate. Of course, at the undergraduate level, we have also some what we call CPD programs, continuous professional development programs, formation continue for teachers in service teachers because we needed to support them. It's part of our mission to. So, but undergraduate and postgraduate. But I think you are interested in postgraduate. Mainly.
No.
You are mainly interested in
Post and undergrad.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Undergrad and postgrad.
You used to like Gabonese people because
You mean?
no, in my summer universities I went to, used to like students from Gabon because they used to have to be good in terms of the situation. I remember some of our colleagues were broke, galère. Sometimes they used to go to Gabonese people. So generous. So they take in charge of some people with the problems. So you are welcome. Yeah. So starting from maybe at the undergraduate level, we offer whatever all disciplines that are taught at the secondary level. So the whole spectrum of programs. First, in terms of we have what they call, for example, Department of Math, Science, and Physical Education. Math and Physical Education. We have a Department of Humanities and Language Education.
That means people can study
Entrepreneurship.
No, not entrepreneurship. Traduction. Translator. To become a translator.
Interpretation. Interprétariat en français. Interpretation. It is in another college.
Teaching.
Yeah, no, this
That's
one.
literature, academic
Yeah,
literature.
this one here we just offer programs. I mean, we prepare
Disciplines.
teachers
Teachers.
who are going to teach.
In secondary schools.
So that program of translation, traduction, we have it in another college called CAS,
Yes.
College of Arts and Social Science, where you are going
College
to
of Arts and Social Science.
We're going
you
to
will
read
meet
tomorrow.
those people are teaching that program of translation.
Ça nous
interpret.
intéresse.
Ça c'est intéressant.
Ça
So
nous
for
intéresse.
us, we teach. There are some people, for example, who are doing English. These people, we prepare them to teach English at secondary school. Teach English. But they're like myself, I did English at that college, but I'm not a qualified teacher. So I'm prepared as, I know this language, I can do translation, but not about teaching. I'm not allowed to teach.
You are not being equipped to teach.
Yes. So for us, it's just education, teaching.
En fait, ce qui est important à comprendre, c'est que la partie ici, à Mukala, c'est plutôt pour l'enseignement, c'est-à-dire tous ceux qui sortent de l'ENS, professeurs de collège, professeurs de lycée, c'est ici éventuellement qu'ils sont formés.
C'est ça.
Voilà. Donc c'est aussi un aspect dont on a besoin, parce que l'enseignement, c'est un besoin primordial. On n'a peut-être pas émis le vœu, mais si on a des personnels formés, ben d'autres Africains vont venir chez nous. Nous, on va venir prendre la connaissance chez vous. Peut-être que certains d'entre vous vont venir en exchange chez nous. Donc en fait, c'est un aspect qu'il faudra présenter aussi au ministre, lui expliquer que
il y a aussi cette
plutôt que d'avoir des stages en France, en Allemagne ou en Italie, on peut aller au Rwanda. Double compétence de langue, le français, l'anglais,
la discipline.
double compétence sociale, la culture et on va dire l'idéologie panafricaine qu'on partage.
Voilà.
Donc c'est un peu ces choses-là qu'on est en train de mixer pour pouvoir faire un super menu à présenter à nos autorités. L'idée c'est ça. Maintenant, ce qui nous intéresserait dans l'immédiat, en dehors des commodités qu'on pouvait offrir à nos étudiants, quelles sont les disciplines, donc les cours, pour lesquels on peut envoyer en bachelor ou master dans 2 mois.
Dans 2 mois.
Pour 2 mois.
Non.
Dans 2 mois.
Ah oui, oui.
C'est-à-dire, January, we start.
Ouais.
Et ils finissent le programme de langue. Après, ils enchaînent maintenant à l'université pour la formation choisie. Nous, on veut ramener quelque chose de concret. C'est-à-dire, on arrive, on a été à Ukara, voilà l'offre. Voici les disciplines, voici les commodités, voici la durée, les conditions pour accéder. Ça peut être des tests, ça peut être, comment on appelle ça, admission sur dossier ou en ligne. Nous, on veut ramener de l'information pour qu'il y ait une décision. Et pour qu'il y ait une décision, il faut qu'on ait l'ensemble des informations. Les infrastructures, qualité de l'information, les coûts de l'information, et surtout les amabilités en termes de programme. Possibilité de faire ça, après tu passes ici. Tu fais comme ça, après tu passes là. Tout ça, on arrive et on le présente à la hiérarchie pour une décision. Comme je dis, mon souhait, that's my wish, to be here in January and start things.
Exactly. So
That's my wish.
But it doesn't mean
I
that
have a big challenge.
it doesn't mean that, for example, if you're not ready for January, it doesn't mean that it wouldn't work for September or for April. It is up to what you think it is possible for now. But if you think, okay, January is maybe too soon, but if you're coming maybe in September, this is what we are going to be given to you. And then we will see that, okay, maybe in January it will be only the campus of Kigali that we've been there. And then in September maybe we can think already for the people who will get the baccalaureate next year, that this is also another campus to explore or to send students to. So everything is possible. We say in 2 months' time, but it doesn't mean that it will end because you didn't help us for now. We forgot about this campus.
There's no pressure.
There's no pressure. It's just that we want to start with something that will go from year to year.
no, it's very easy. It can be done. It's just a negotiation between 2 countries, for example, because this is more political. So, what I can tell you, give you information is that this is very possible. The only thing that can be done now is thanks. Now. There is a batch, and we haven't yet started. We are supposed to start our intake of 2020-21 because of COVID. It hasn't started. They have actually completed admitting them, but they have not yet even published their admission, which means your students can also fall in this category if they can apply. But while waiting this process, I'm thinking something that can be done now is to offer them language skills. Yeah, while waiting, because if it is going maybe to start in May, we don't know yet. But meanwhile, if they can come, for example, in January, especially the bachelor students, they can be given language program that can last 3 months, for example, something like that, 6 months. And then they are competent enough to start their programs after. For masters and PhD students, that's very easy. If they want to do a kind of coaching, we can also provide. But if they don't, it's fine. And then for bachelor students, if they also want to do bridge courses, for example, a student is not good at mathematics, we can also provide the coaching in mathematics before he can start.
Can I advise to that? Sorry to cut you short. Usually, so it's our mandate as a study in Rwanda to uplift internationalization curriculum to the University of Rwanda. I understand the Dean of Education is here, where they teach math, of course, you're training, you're giving academic concept to become a teacher, lecturer, on a certain discipline, as you say. Math, chemistry, maybe arts, humanities, geography, history, economics, biosciences, physics, math, maybe, for example, chemistry, biology, physical education, and they. When I visited the campus of KIE, former KIE, I love disability courses you have. But sometime in the our mandate, we don't want to manage disabilities. I understand the priority of this campus, which is very good. But we need to be honest to the University of Rwanda. We want to contribute to more support to our country. So we want to hire lecturers and be able, of course, you deliver academic, and we want also to deliver skills. So we did this coming period of post-COVID period, of course, things are going to change. As you said, from first class to become 50% online. So now, it's also a pleasure, I think, to come to this campus. I always see the time you offer this, I was in US for studying Rwanda Road Show with the Ambassador Matri. But my sister now is living in Canada because she was very pregnant, she's married. And now I think it's the first time to Mr. Jean-Pierre coming. It's an opportunity. So studying Rwanda has a chances to also to push, for example, if there's any pending side of campuses, we provide on your behalf. Yeah, so this is a public university, and sometimes we support even the University of Rwanda graduation ceremony. I don't know if you was in Huye, you have seen study in Rwanda, so we even shared a dinner with all international students because we want to keep them good.
Feel at home.
And feel at home. So now, if there is no hostel which is not around, Mr. Janvier can come up and you can visit. If you're going to send a student before, we have to check first. It's our mandate to check the hostel. If there's things that we should add, we should also add according to your request. But the good thing about this campus, I love when it comes that far from Kigali. It's a silent place, an environment, affordable food, village, of course. And I think for the budget you're planning to send, I think they will save more money. But come up with the request, because College of Education, you are the key to train the future teachers.
Education is in general.
Yeah.
Even beyond the
But today, in a philosophy francophone, anglophone, we have received a more colonial curriculum, remember. The teachers also will need also entrepreneurship when they teach. Academic, physical, moral can apply. Because imagine you can become academic lecturer because you're good in physics. Sometimes this is academic concept. But also tool of moral, entrepreneurship, please stand up. You know how to, you know this math, but can you make this math in digital up? You know? So today, the manual you have or your curriculum in Gabon is similar to us. But Rwanda believes in technology because Rwanda hosted the 4 times international conference, Transform Africa 2 times, and the EICT and the youth. So the purpose of this conference happened in the last 4 years ago was to promote EICT. That's why in Rwanda, 4G started in Rwanda in less than 4 years. So the concern is for the future, maybe tips. Let's visit the audio you said for e-learning. Let's also see the campus around. But Janvier, for anything, just be in touch with them. So we want to be responsible on any operation of the international student. So because I understand you're very busy, you're working, you also have your task as well. But we are public-private agencies for the future, which means we want to be responsible for international students. Sometimes, if you don't have any hostel, we can even make it to make sure the contract is honored. But usually, if I have heard the dean clearly, here they transform people from academic level to make sure they become academia teacher. Professional skills. So there's a college, I'm pleased to say that college because there's a university on the top. College of Education is there also to uplift teachers. So he is the category during your future selections. So if those people want to become a professional teacher, as you said, in the physics,
In
biology, in the history, languages, and also the key pillars. Let's have a clear proposal for disabilities.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to know
Yeah.
more about
Maybe
disability.
I think
It's also my
what
new-
you can do now is just to make kind of overview, une sorte de revue panoramique de nos programmes
Tout à fait.
en général. Mais on n'aura pas le temps de rentrer dans le détail. Provided you have, of course, you are in compliance with the requirement in terms of education background, and they have someone who can supervise you. And here it is easy because the university is a big institution. You can't miss someone who can supervise you. Otherwise, masters, we have different disciplines, including education, curriculum instruction, leadership, education leadership. Then you have languages. I'm going to start what we call masters in social sciences. Actually, it is in your disciplines. So otherwise, I think maybe I don't know if you have. You want me to? We can't have time to get into details.
No need.
Or-
We
No
shall
need.
send. We shall.
We are the University of Rwanda, of course. They suggest to come here. I think details have to be on, of course, on on managerial to registrar, then registrar they can refer to them like us. Yeah.
Maybe in terms of quality, of course, we have undertaken reforms of our programs in terms of making sure we are preparing professional practitioners, people who are ready to go to field. Instead of having that period of transition between studies and job competence that are required as job in terms of job. So we prepare them, we make sure there is competences in terms of internship, les stages. Il faut les stages tout le long de leurs études, à partir de la première année, ils sont exposés dans les écoles pour être familiers avec l'environnement de l'école. Deuxième année, ils commencent leur stage. Troisième année, ils vont la dernière phase de leur stage. Donc, we make sure there is that preparation in terms of practicals, professionalism.
So, Mr. Dean, I have a question.
I
have a question. Tuvuge niba mu training umuntu kumwarimu mu gice bya secondaire tuvuge ya mbere ya kabiri ya gatatu ya gatandatu sibyo and abyo kuvuga kuri quality yayo. Remember they might have different curriculums.
Yes.
Because we became to Commonwealth in 2007 I guess 8.
Yeah.
Rwanda tuned to French curriculum to British curriculum. So now that's why I do support the languages become priority, so that the taught curriculum, since the Dean of Education is suggesting, we want to make sure we keep the people to understand how to teach the adult education. Yeah, I think qualification is there to support the education sector, yeah?
We have a project.
High school we call adult education. Primary is a formal education. So high school is the adult education, of which maybe I suggested to practice theory training to professionals. Yeah, is that clear?
No, actually.
En fait, il faut qu'on se comprenne. Le projet, il va se faire en plusieurs phases. Step 1. Peu importe les étudiants qu'on vous envoie. Première mission, acquérir la maîtrise de la langue. Juillet, la langue.
C'est ça.
Maintenant, pour tout le monde.
Phase de prophétique, tu prépares.
Maintenant, vous aurez des groupes. Les groupes qui va faire la formation des formateurs.
C'est ça.
Il va rentrer
Mm,
ici. Le groupe qui va aller faire les sciences, la biologie, l'informatique, etc., ils se séparent. Ceux qui vont rester ici, c'est ceux qui vont apprendre vos disciplines.
Les disciplines qui sont
Voilà, les
enseignées.
disciplines qui sont ici, parce que l'objectif, c'est qu'à la fin, ils finissent enseignants, soit du collège, soit du lycée, peut-être même professionnels dans les centres, etc. Mais tout le monde est parqué ici. En anglais, quand ils ont validé l'année de langue, ok, toi, tu vas faire ta biologie là-bas, toi, tu vas faire ta médecine ici, toi, tu vas faire ton géographie, etc. Et c'est ce qu'on veut. Nous, on veut savoir, est-ce que, quand on repart au Gabon, si on dit qu'on va envoyer 100 étudiants, les 100, est-ce qu'il y a les commodités pour eux? Les 100 vont suivre tous l'anglais. Et quand ils ont fini, s'il y a 20 qui restent, ils restent ici. Les 80 autres, ils sont dans les autres, ce que vous appelez collèges.
Et puis les langues, enfin, je ne doute pas qu'on vous a informé de l'existence d'un centre clé, centre de Quality English, Center for Language Enhancement.
Est-ce que c'est pour l'Université de Rwanda?
Oui, mais chaque collège a un groupe d'enseignants qui sont chargés de langues. Donc, on a tout ce que vous voulez en termes
En fait, c'est
de
tout ce qu'on
préparation
demande.
à langue.
C'est tout ce qu'on demande.
Et puis d'ailleurs, nos programmes sont benchmarked with East Africa. When you are here in Rwanda, you are in East Africa. We are not just in Rwanda. Because there is a process of benchmarking our education to the East African
Vous
community.
allez maintenant benchmarker.
Mais nous avons l'avantage d'avoir le français. Nous avons l'avantage d'avoir le français par rapport
Vous allez
au Tanzanie, par
benchmarker.
rapport au Kenya. Nous avons le français aussi.
I think because of time, maybe
Let's-
we can go, we continue our discussion.
On a entendu
Why not?
l'essentiel.
Exactement.